How can I use aluminum foil in my air fryer without damaging the machine?
Using aluminum foil in your air fryer can help to make your cooking experience easier and cleaner, but it's important to use it correctly to avoid damaging your appliance. In this video, we will discuss some tips and tricks to use aluminum foil safely in an air fryer.
Why use aluminum foil in an air fryer?
Aluminum foil has several benefits when used in an air fryer, including preventing food from sticking to the air fryer basket or tray, easier cleanup after cooking, preventing overcooking or burning of certain foods.
How can I use aluminum foil in my air fryer without damaging the machine?
To use aluminum foil safely in your air fryer, follow these steps. 1. Avoid covering the entire basket or tray. Leave some space for air to circulate around the food, ensuring even cooking and preventing damage to the appliance. 2. Don't block air vents or fan. Make sure that the aluminum foil doesn't obstruct any air vents or the fan inside the air fryer, as this could cause the machine to overheat or malfunction. 3. Secure the foil. Ensure that the aluminum foil is securely fastened to the basket or tray, and not loose or hanging, to prevent it from being sucked into the fan. 4. Use a single layer of foil. Using multiple layers of aluminum foil can restrict air circulation and cause uneven cooking. Stick to a single layer to maintain proper airflow. 5. Check the manufacturer's guidelines. Some air fryer manufacturers may have specific recommendations or restrictions regarding the use of aluminum foil in their machines. Make sure to consult your user manual for any such guidance.
Are there any alternatives to aluminum foil?
If you're looking for alternatives to using aluminum foil in your air fryer, consider the following options: parchment paper or air fryer liners. These are designed to fit the air fryer baskets or trays and provide a non-stick surface for cooking. Silicone mats or baskets. Reusable and heat-resistant, silicone mats or baskets can be used in place of aluminum foil for a more eco-friendly option. Using aluminum foil in your air fryer can provide numerous benefits, but it's important to use it correctly to avoid any potential damage to your appliance. By following the tips mentioned in this video and consulting your air fryer's user manual, you can safely use aluminum foil to enhance your air frying experience.